Hello everyone, my name is Natdanai Danny Guest. You can just call me Danny. I'm here to discuss the topic of animal folding. In this case, folding a crab. In many different hotels around the world, they do this. They perform animal folding just to show the guests some craftsmanship or some skill that they have at the hotel, saying that they can fold these types of animals, and it's just a small thing to impress the guest and just to decorate the room a little bit. So today I'll be showing you how to fold a crab. Well, the first thing you want to do in folding this crab is you take a shower towel. You only need one shower towel for this. And the first step is to just fold the shower towel around 1/3 or half. The next step is to take this part that you just folded and roll this back up. Try to roll it as tight as possible just to make it easier for what we're doing later on. So after this step, the towel should be like this. It should be facing this way with the fold coming. Okay. The next step that we want to do is for you to use two hands. You grab a towel like this and you fold it up to the part that you just rolled. So it'll be like this. We want to do this around 5 times. And so that's the second, third, fourth, and fifth. So we fold it up 5 times. So on top, from my perspective, it would look around like this. We have the 5 folded levels, and we also have the rolled fold here. The next step we would want to do is just to grab this part right in the middle and pull it straight in the middle. You want to make sure that the middle here is a triangle, and try to make it as even as possible because it's what we're doing next. Right. After we have the triangle like this, the next step is to use both hands and to fold it straight in. Fold it straight in so you have the area like this. So it's even on both sides, like this. Right, and the next step to do after this is to take the part that you rolled and you pull this out. You might need a little bit of adjusting. You take the parts that you folded and you just fold them again just to give it the crab legs. And you might just want to fold it behind here just to make it a little bit cleaner. Right, you fold it in. So you got the basic shape of the crab. And just to add the eyes, we'll add just 2 eyes right here. I'm only using headphone buds because I don't really have paper, but it works for now, I guess. So that is actually the complete crab for the hotel. Right, that was the end of the crab folding demonstration. Hopefully you learned something from this. Maybe you could try and take this video and try to fold the crab for yourself. As I've said, there are many types of animal foldings around the world. Today we wanted to show you the crab, but other days we might be able to show you crocodiles, swans, and so on forth. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm Danny Guest, and we'll see you in another video. Goodbye.